Starting a beekeeping business or apiculture involves learning about the bee management, honey production, and potentially other bee products, including the wax, the pollen. Also understanding the market and regulations. This is Langstroth hives. You can see the surrounding. Very natural, filled with trees and flowers, good for bee foraging. Understand the bee behavior, the colony health, and hive management techniques. Also get to know about honey processing, harvesting, and even storage. Identify potential customers. Also understand the market demands for honey and other bee products. When setting the hives, choose a suitable location, considering factors like access to nectar, protection from predators, and proximity to potential customers. Invest in necessary equipments like the beehives, protective gears, honey extraction equipments.
Thank you.